In the world of tactical gear, having a reliable folding knife can make all the difference. Enter the Wallopton military-grade tactical folding knife, boasting a formidable CPM S35VN steel blade and a G10 non-slip fiberglass handle, with the added bonus of a screwdriver to disassemble the knife for cleaning and a sheath. This knife seems to be poised to become a staple in any adventurer's arsenal. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The heart of any good knife lies in its blade, and the Wallopton does not disappoint. Crafted from CPM S35VN steel, known for its exceptional strength and edge retention, this blade cuts through challenging with ease. Whether it's slicing through tough materials or performing delicate tasks, the blade maintains its sharpness admirably. And additionally, its corrosive resistance ensures longevity even in the harshest conditions, making it a reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts and tactical professionals alike. The handle is made from G10 non-slip fiberglass, providing a secure grip in any situation, even when wet or covered in debris. This textured surface ensures maximum control, reducing the risk of accidents during intense use. This ergonomical design not only enhances performance, but also minimizes fatigue, allowing for extended periods of comfortable use. Furthermore, in conclusion, a sheath ensures convenience and safe storage when the knife is not in use. Constructed from durable materials, the sheath provides protection against damage and ensures easy access when most needed. Whether strapped to your belt or secured to a piece of gear, the sheath offers peace of mind knowing that your knife is just within reach. In conclusion, the Wallopton military-grade folding knife delivers on its promises: performance, durability, and versatility. With its high-quality materials, precision engineering, and thoughtful design, it stands as a reliable companion for any adventurer or mission. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or a tactical professional, or just a simple who values preparedness, this knife deserves a place in your toolkit. So gear up, venture forth, and let the Wallopton be your trusted ally in the field. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the information in this video useful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And share this video with anyone who can benefit. But if I missed something, dislike this video and leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I welcome constructive criticism. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute.